Okay, today we are going to be reviewing everything you've learned so far, and so we're going to start up here. Can someone tell me if these are solid shapes or are they flat shapes? So because they're solid, we know that there's a backside behind it. So can someone tell me what vertices are? Ella?
Okay. Vertices are like on the side like
Is that a vertice or is that an edge? It's an edge, so you know what a vertice is? You want to have someone help you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yes?
It's the two sides right there.
Very nice. All right. And then Ella just told us an edge is where two sides meet together. And then can someone tell us what a face is? Yes, Reagan.
It's a flat surface.
So it has to be flat. So does a sphere have a face?
No.
And why does it not have a face?
Nothing can actually balance on it or sit on it, and you cannot just move your face flat.
Yeah. Very nice. All right. We're going to go over the cube and its faces, edges, and vertices, and then you're going to do number 1 and 2 by yourself. So can someone come up here and tell me how many faces a cube has and point them? Ella. Can you face them? Sorry.
It has one right there, 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 and one right there.
And how many is that total?
6.
There you go. Very nice. All right. And then can someone come up here to do the edges? Israel. All right. How many edges does our cube have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very nice. It has 8 edges. And then can someone come do our vertices? Eli.
There's 12 edges.
Oh, Israel did our vertices. Sorry, you were gonna do our edges. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very nice.
No, but he did.
Yeah, he did the vertices. It's okay. We're gonna have someone. Can someone come up and do the edges? Yes.
One edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, 4 edges, 5 edges, 6, 7, 8.
I think we might be missing some.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
There you go. Very nice. All right. I'm gonna have you do number 1 and 2 by yourselves, and then we're gonna check them together. So go ahead and do this. Look up here when you're finished. You don't know what paper is for? When I get to this, just ignore those. There you go. Yeah, you're gonna do number 1 and 2. Is everybody ready to check them?
Yes.
No? I'll give you 1 more minute.
Gosh, I'm so messed up.
All right, can I have a volunteer come up and do number 1? Alexandria? All right, so she says a rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Oh, thank you. Does everybody agree with her?
Yes.
Yes? No?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to do number 2. Jake?
Alexandria. You can sit still.
All right, he got 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices. Is he right? Yep. All right, very nice job. All right, we're going to flip over to the back side and do set B. All right, so 4 of the shapes that we learned were triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. So we know a triangle has how many sides?
3.
3. And how many vertices?
3.
And how many angles?
3.
So they're all equal.
Yes.
And then a quadrilateral has how many sides?
4.
How many vertices?
4.
And how many angles?
4.
And then a pentagon has how many sides?
5.
How many verticals?
5.
Vertices, sorry. How many angles?
5.
And then a hexagon has how many sides?
6.
How many vertices?
6.
And how many angles?
6.
So what do we notice about the sides, verticals, and angles? What do they have in common? They're all the same. Very nice. All right, you are going to do number 3, where it says draw lines to match the shapes, and then we're going to have someone come up and do it.
Use the information up above to help you. I believe it's Control Shift. Could you try
So yeah, you're going to draw the
Here, let
lines.
me get you. Can you videotape? Okay. Where is she? In the computer line.
Are you done? Do you want to step for a second? All right, we're going to wait for everybody to be done. Yes.
Yeah, I did do it.
You need help? All right. How many sides does this shape have? All right. How many? Which one of these has 5 sides? None of them? How many does a hexagon have? There you go. Count again. There you go. And then last one. Triangle. There you go. All right, Jack is going to come up and show us what he got for him. All right, which one did you get for that one?
I got
All right. And then what did you get for the second shape? There you go. All right, that's correct. Very nice job.
What? Can you do it again?
Yes, here, I'll do it in a different color. So this one has how many sides does this shape have? 5. So which of these ones has 5?
Pentagon.
Pentagon. So I'm just going to go to the pentagon. And how many does this one have?
4.
So it goes to which word?
Oh, gosh.
All right. And how many does this one have?
5. 6.
Are you sure?
6.
There you go. And which word does it go to? And then this one has how many sides?
3.
There you go. All right, you're going to flip into side C. All right. Everybody quiet. All right, so what we did in these was we found ways to make new shapes out of shapes. So in this picture, they cut the square into 3 rectangles. So what do all these pieces mean? What is that divided into? Yes? Yes, very nice. Is there another way we could have divided the shape into thirds?
Yes.
Yes, Ella, how else would you have divided it?
I'm gonna make it like a kind like this, like a window.
Like a window? So you could have, that would have made it in thirds?
That would be
Fourths. So how else could we have made this
Oh,
in
you can do
thirds?
it like this.
That way. So it would be like this. Does that work?
Yeah.
All right. And then in this shape, we have the triangle, and they cut it into 3 smaller triangles. So is this one cut into thirds as well?
Yeah.
Yes. And is there any other way we could have done this?
Yep.
Yes? How else would you have done it?
Yes, but you can put the bottom on the top and small.
The top and the bottom? How? Here, will you come show us how you would do that? Never mind. All right. Is this the only way you could make it into 3 triangles?
Yeah.
Are you sure? All right. Show us how you would come to it. Get up here. Quiet. How would you else could you divide this into 3 triangles? I don't think there's another way to divide this one into 3 triangles. All right. Well, one more try. I'm pretty sure you can't divide this. All right. How else can we divide this into 3?
I can see it.
You can do it. Is this a triangle? I don't think that's a triangle. This is the only way you can divide this triangle into 3 smaller triangles. All right. Shh. We're gonna move on. You're gonna do number 4 and 5, and then we're gonna check them as a class.
No, you have to be.
Stay quiet so everybody else can finish. Yes, okay.